Hey everyone, want to reconnect with people who watch your reels? Let's set up a Facebook ad to retarget them. Let's get started. First, go to your page, then tap Ads and use the Meta Business Suite app. Then, from there, tap Create Ad and choose a custom audience, then select a video engagement. And now pick the reel that you want to target and choose viewers who watch at least 3 seconds and write a short and engaging message, and then launch and monitor. Once your ad is ready, publish it. Then go to Insights and track the clicks, views, and audience reach. And that's your real story for today. Use retargeting to turn views into a real result. Follow real stories for more social media tips and tricks that work out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.